Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Autonomous Academy. I am going to do analysis of question paper named Optics of year 2018-19. Before the analysis, I would like to brief you about the pattern of question paper. This question paper consists of three sections. Section A consists of 5 MCQs where each question carries 1 marks. Section B contains 5 short answer questions and each question carries 2 marks. And the last section of the question paper, that is section C, contains 5 questions and each question carries 5 marks, which means that section A is of 5 marks, section B is of 10 marks, and section C is of 25 marks. Let's begin our analysis with the MCQs. The first question is, on increasing the thickness of a thin lens, its focal length. First option is decrease, option B increase, option C remains unchanged, option D nothing to be said. So here you have to select the correct option and you have to write in your answer copy. Let us move to the next question. The relation between refractive index mu and the pressure P of the gas is. First option, mu is directly proportional to the P. Second option, mu is inversely proportional to the P. Third option, mu minus 1 is directly proportional to the P. And the fourth option is mu is directly proportional to the P square. So in this question also you have to choose one of them and you have to write in your answer copy. Let us move to the next question. For normal incidence on a grating, the condition of principal maxima is. First option is E sin theta is equals to n lambda. Second option, A sin theta is equals to n lambda. Fourth option, E sin theta is equals to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. And the fourth option is E is equals to A sin theta. So you have to select the correct option and you have to write in your answer copy. Let us move to the next question. The phenomenon of double refraction occurs in. First option is an isotropic medium. Second option, an anisotropic medium. Third option, air. And the fourth option is glass. And the last question of the section A is, the purity theta of a spectral line is. Option A, theta is equals to lambda upon del lambda. Option B, theta is equals to capital L upon lambda. Option C, theta is equals to C lambda. Option D, theta is equals to lambda square upon del lambda. Let us move to the section B of the question paper, that is short answer type question. This section is of total 10 marks. Here one note is given, attempt all the 5 questions. One question from each unit is compulsory. Each question carries 2 marks. In this section, questions are asked as per the unit. Let us begin with the questions. From unit 1, the question is, state Fermat's principle and use it to explain the laws of reflection. Its or question is, explain axial and lateral chromat aberration. So here you have to explain the Fermat's principle and its laws within 2 or 3 lines. And in this question you have to explain axial and lateral chromat aberration as per the 2 marks. Let us move to the next question. From unit 2, the question is, explain Rayleigh's refractometer with application. Its or question is, explain Stokes' law of reflection from a denser medium. From unit 3, the question is, explain the division of plane wavefront in half period zones by Hard period zone method. Its or question is, explain phase diagram method for Fraunhofer diffraction. From unit 4, the question is, explain Brauser's law for production of plane polarized light. Its or question is, what is Malus law? From unit 5th, the question is, explain spontaneous emission and stimulated emission. Its or question is, explain principle, construction and working for a photodiode. So here you have to answer these spontaneous and stimulated emission within 2 or 3 lines, and you have to give the principle, construction and working for a photodiode. Now the last section of the question paper, that is section C. It is long answer type question and this section is of total 25 marks. Here also one note is given that attempt all the 5 questions. One question from each unit is compulsory. Each question carries 5 marks. So let's begin the question. From unit 1, the question is deduce the formula for equivalent focal length of thin lens kept on the source separation. Our question is explain the need of a multiple lens system in an eyepiece, and its another part is also explain the Huygens eyepiece with the diagram. So as you already know that it is of 5 marks, so you have to write these answers in detail. You have to draw a diagram also for proper construction and everything. From unit 2, the question is prove that fringe width beta is equals to del lambda upon 2d. Our question is explain construction and working of a Michelin's interferometer. So you have to derive this expression that beta is equals to del lambda upon 2d, and in its another part you have to explain its construction and working. From unit 3, the question is explain diffraction of light at a narrow circular aperture. Our question is explain the resolving power of telescope. So you have to answer these questions in very detail. From unit 4, the question is explain unpolarized, plane polarized and partially polarized light with diagram. So you have to explain these 3 with the diagram, then only you will get full marks. Our question is explain optical rotation and specific rotation. From unit 5, the question is deduce the relation between Einstein's coefficient A and B through statistical method. Our question is explain construction and working principle of a ruby laser. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Required question papers, relevant notes and study materials can be downloaded from the Telegram channel of Autonomous Academy. The link is shared below. We'll try to fulfill your expectation and requisitions as possible. Thanks for watching this video.